What's up, everybody? Chilling in the church. Writing songs is making beats. As you can tell, see the Christmas lights up. We got some Christmas decorations. We got a Christmas tree. Over there! Make a 90s song. We're making 90s songs from the 90s. From the 90s. Oh. Like my dance, I do my dance, I do my dance. Hey. Hear that? You hear that? Oh, you see my beanie? You like my Steelers? We do it. Shout out to my brother. And today is his birthday. Birthday, 24 years old. And he's 24. My brother 24. 24 years old. He's so old. 24 years old. Why are you 24? Because 24 years old. 24 years ago, my mama gave birth. I had a little brother. He is right there. He's right there. Right there. Happy birthday, brother. Today is your birthday. Hi, say hi. What? Today his birthday. And we're not gonna drink. We're gonna go to church cause it's a Sunday. What? 24? And we still go to church? It's real, y'all, cause we love Jesus. We love the Lord. We don't do drugs, but we do music. Music is our drug, and we get high off the music. So dumb. I'm dumb. That's enough. Shout out to my brother, 24 years old. His birthday is today. We going crazy. Yeah. Okay, peace everybody. Deuces, miles.